Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make iced tea powder. First, you will need to brew a highly concentrated batch of your preferred tea. Use about 4 times the usual amount of tea leaves for every 1 cup of water to achieve a robust flavor. Steep the tea for at least 10 to 15 minutes, allowing the flavors to fully develop. This strong brew is essential for creating a potent and delicious powder later on. Ensure you strain all solids completely. To create a powerful concentrate, combine about 4 ounces of loose-leaf tea with 1 cup of hot water. Allow this mixture to steep for a generous 15 to 20 minutes, ensuring all the tea's essence is extracted. After steeping, carefully strain the liquid through a very fine mesh sieve or several layers of cheesecloth. This step removes all solid particles, leaving you with a smooth, dark, and highly concentrated tea base, ready for the next stage of the process. Now it is time to dry your concentrated tea. Pour the liquid onto a non-stick baking sheet or a silicone mat, spreading it very thinly and evenly. Place the sheet into an oven set to a low temperature, approximately 170 degrees Fahrenheit, or use a food dehydrator. Allow it to dry for several hours, typically between 4 and 6 hours, until it becomes a completely brittle, glass-like sheet. This ensures all moisture is removed. Once your tea concentrate is completely dry and brittle, carefully break it into smaller, manageable pieces. Transfer these pieces to a clean spice grinder or a high-speed blender. Process the dried tea until it transforms into a very fine, uniform powder. This powder is your homemade iced tea mix. Store it in an airtight container, away from moisture and direct sunlight, to maintain its freshness for up to 6 months. Enjoy your instant iced tea.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.